Hi, I'm Kelly with the SideStix team. These are the SideStix Grip Caps. They fit on over the tornado tips to provide extra traction on ice, wet wood, or slippery trails. The high carbon steel screws are sharp, so never wear them inside or on smooth surface like tile or polished concrete. To put them on, just push the bottom of the rubber tip into the opening of the grip cap. Again, the screws are sharp, so you'll want to use a cloth or a towel or wear a glove to put them on. You're just trying to start it off, and then you can put your SideStix on the ground and press it all the way in. To remove them, simply work it off with your thumbs. And it'll come right off. If they're sticking on a little bit, you can also take your large Allen key tool and insert it into the hole in the bottom of the grip cap, and then use that to pry it off. It's a good idea to rinse and dry them properly after each time you use them so that they don't rust. More information and tutorials can be found on our website, and if you have any other questions or comments, you can always reach out to us by phone, email, or on social media.